How to log out of Twitter app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log out of Twitter app, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to log out of Twitter app, all you have to do is, first of all, you can see I'm on my Twitter application and I am logged into my account. But logging out is actually a little bit complicated process, because wherever you go you might not find the option to log out because the option is deep inside the settings. So to find it, first of all, tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side, and then you want to go to settings and support from the bottom and scroll down and you'll find settings and privacy. Again, just go to settings and privacy. Over here you simply want to go to your account, and once you go to your account, here you'll find account information, and when you tap on account information, now you will find the option called logout. So basically just tap on logout and then tap on the logout button, and then you'll be successfully signed out of your Twitter account. And that's all it takes to log out of Twitter app. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.